Hey Foodie, Chef Pete here, and you know what? Today I'm making the carpizzo's house salad, and you always start with romaine or whatever lettuce you like. I've already cut a couple of heads up in here, okay? And today I've decided to use some beautifully smoked bacon. This is turkey bacon. You can use applewood smoked, regular bacon, whatever you like. And I'm gonna air fry this to get it crisped up nice, because I'm gonna dice it up and put it last thing in. And I'm going to also make some croutons today, just so we can have a little croutons in with our house salad, smoked, beautiful, sweet bacon, okay? And a little cheese. But the fun thing about salads, I want you all to understand, is you can do them any way you like. You can make them with a vinaigrette, you can make it with a ranch dressing, a Thousand Island dressing, vinegar and oil dressing. You could do it with any dressing you like. Ranch dressing. I think today I'm going to make a ranch dressing for this particular salad, and because ranch kind of goes really nicely well with the smoked bacon. And so the first thing I'm going to do is turn on the air fry oven over here, and we are going to get that up to snuff. And while that's happening, because we're going to put our bacon in and air fry it, I'm going to come over here and we're going to cut up some of our, I have all kinds of things here, and behind me I also have some chichi beans or garbanzo beans, okay? These are garbanzo beans, chichi beans. Or you could put cannelli beans, or you could put red beans, you could put no beans. Put whatever you like, okay? All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is I am going to put some cucumber in here. So I like it in smaller pieces for us here, and I just slice it right up, and I throw it right in. So it's all nice and sliced up, and I just go cut it in half, and peel it, and then I just slice, okay? And there we go. The thing about salads is you can have a meal with a salad, really nice. Now here we have some artichoke hearts. So I'm gonna take these and cut them up, just like that. I have a few artichoke hearts. And you can also use all of these different vegetables, right, from your refrigerator, and you can clean out your refrigerator too, or if you have different things. And I'm going to put these right in into our beautiful salad we're making today, okay? And then what I'm going to do is just do a quick clean here of our board. Alrighty, and we are going to continue on. Got that on me a little. All right, so we have some tomato here. I'm going to put in some tomato, and some of these are not so great. Oh, we can cut around them, just like this. We can cut around them, and we can just pull them apart, just like this, and cut them, and cut them, and cut them as big or as little as you like. Cut on that side of the core, and then I can take the core out just as easy as this. It's right here, and it comes right out, all right? And then we'll just cut these up. These are nice, beautiful hothouse tomatoes, and they have beautiful flavor. They go really well with ranch dressing too. Okay, and I'm gonna take out this piece here that needs to be cut. All right, and we'll just come here and we'll cut here and here. And there we go, we're getting some nice tomato.
Why do you take the seeds out sometimes?
Sometimes I take the seeds out, sometimes I don't. It all depends on the mood I'm in, and if our stomachs are feeling good. Sometimes it's a stomach thing. Okay, so there we go, and we're gonna get this cut and that cut, and we'll get this all into our salad here. Okay, while I'm getting this going here, so nice it's going. We have a beautiful salad here. Anthony can show you. I'm gonna pop our bacon in because I want to get this cooked up in the air fryer. And I think what I'm going to do next is put some more red in, which is, I have some nice peppers that have been roasted. Look at these peppers, how nice they are. They've been roasted up. Just gonna get them here on the board, because what I'm gonna do with them is just chop them up so they're nice and thin and chopped up. Okay? All right. So let me get this out of our way. There we go. Whoops, he got away. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just take these, I've got them all together, and take my knife and cut through them. And if I see any pieces that might be like a stem or something, I'll pull them out. And we'll just chop up so we have some nice pepper that's been roasted. And just right in there we go.
You seem to add a lot of flavor.
The roasted bell peppers are beautifully done. Roasted peppers. This is a beautiful Italian thing we add in some of Italian dishes, and this gives it a nice flavor. And you don't lose the flavor when you go into with your dressing. Okay, you don't lose the flavor. Okay, so we've got that, and now I think today I'm going to add some green olives. Sometimes I put Kalamata olives. Today I'm putting green, and what I'm going to do, these are pitted. These are Castellaviterano, which comes from Sicily. Castellaviterano. Okay.
So many good things come from Sicily.
Yes, they do, Anthony. Okay, so there we go. We're going to get that going. And then what I'm going to do is just cut these up, just like this. So, and while I'm cutting them up, I'm looking to make sure, because these are pitted, but you never know. There might be a pit stone in here, and if there is, now's the time to take it out. And then that way you can double check to make sure nobody breaks their teeth, because, you know, sometimes we break teeth on.
Yeah, I remember when we were at our friend Lisa in San Diego, and she was making an ice cream thing with frozen. We put frozen cherries, but we also put fresh cherries, I think. And I was pitting the cherries, and I guess I missed one.
And then you almost broke your tooth.
I almost broke my tooth on it, actually.
Yes. And
it also happened with the pistachio nut.
Yeah, pistachio nuts too. So you see, Anthony, you have a thing with the nuts there, dear. It's okay. All right. So here we go. Let's clean this up just a little bit here, because we're going to continue on now. And I thought some avocado would be nice today.
Oh, I love avocado.
So we'll take the avocado like this and get them out of the shell. Here's a little bit more here. We'll just throw him. Oops, he fell down. Throw him in. And another avocado. These are beautiful avocados. And believe me, it's the avocados are the good oil. Okay? Good oil, everybody. So what we're going to do is just take our knife. And what I don't want to do is with these is make them where they're too small, where we don't know that it's an avocado. So we're going to turn them and just cut them like this so we get some pieces like that. And just pick them up, try not to crush them, and just let them go in there. So what I'm making here, and then I'm going to add the bacon in here, I'm making a meal, a literal meal out of a salad, right? So you can make a meal out of a salad, and especially in these hot summer days. We're coming to the end of our summer now, but you know what? We still have some hot days left, okay? All right, so there we go. We have that going really nice. Next up, I am going to put, let's put this over here so everybody could see it. I'm going to put some garbanzo beans right in. So we have some beans. That's protein too. Don't forget, for those of you that like beans. And then I think what I'm going to do is, I have some shaved Parmesan cheese. I'm going to add a little in here, just like this. Let's put it all. There we go. Okay. And then what we're going to do, to clean our work area up, is we now are going to wait to put our bacon in as soon as it's cooked. And I think what I'm going to also do is make some croutons here out of this Italian bread I have. and we'll make some croutons out of this. And let me rinse this while Anthony's showing you the... Okay. Move our salad over here, and then we'll take this, and then I'm going to dry my board real quick. All right, and let's just get, and then I'm going to throw this right in there with those bacon. I'm going to move the bacon, and then we'll brown it all at the same time. Okay, and the way I like to do this is just cut it. You can use wheat bread, you could use multi-grain bread, use whatever you like. Or maybe you don't want any croutons. That's certainly all up to what you guys like to do out there. Be far from it for me to tell you. Okay, we're cooking up over there. Okay, and when we come back, we're gonna have our bacon done, our croutons done, and I'm gonna show you how to make a quick, easy ranch dressing to put on our beautiful salad with all these great ingredients we have, okay? All right, so we'll see you back in a bit, and we'll show you how to make a dressing and add the final pieces of everything into our salad. So this is Pete, out.